YouTube. Hi. Another new delivery. We're going to do a quick unboxing. I always say quick. It'll take 10 minutes. So, yeah. Hi. Like, comment, subscribe. Do that kind of thing. If you like listening to old dudes talk about shoes. It's a thing I do sometimes. Let's open this up. Let's see here. You've already read the title of the video. You know what these are. I know what these are. See, NikeSB sale box. Yeah. What do we got here? Let's look at this. We're going to throw this out of the way. And we have the NikeSB Dunk Low Pro. This is in Phantom, Black, and Monarch. Here you go. Let me do this other little thing here. I'm going to take this tag off from our buddies at StockX. Do you use StockX? Who uses StockX? I've never sold anything. I've only bought shit. This is a thing I do with all of the little shoes that I get. I put that tag on the inside because I don't want to have to look at it. So we'll do this. Oh, I was doing this. There we go. What do we got there? Can you read all that? I think you can. Yep. 9.5 SB Dunks. I usually get true to size. We're going to open it up. Oh, look at that little wood grain paper we're used to having. I've never done a StockX unboxing like this. I've always opened them and then I usually take them all apart, and that's how I got fuckered on that the Jordan Street Gatos, which were some bullshit. Did I say that before? Check that video out. There you go. Look at this. What is it? This is the Nike SB Paris Olympics electric pack. There we go. That's it. We got this little safari colorway, little spotty nonsense here on the mud guard on the back here. Monarch orange on the inside. Yeah, this is there's a whole thing about this. I'll probably do another video, which you guys probably give zero fucks about. But yeah, because this is like a, what, 2-ish year old release. But that's okay. I haven't had it. Got a good price on it. Picked it up for well less than retail. Yeah, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, we got another shoe, just like the one. Just the opposite. There we go. Blue laces. Kind of an interesting blue, I guess. I guess this is electric blue. Maybe that's where we get that electric pack shenanigan name. All right. Let's get rid of the box. Hey, look. Wait. Hold on. It actually came with the NikeSB sticker. If we do like David at Blue Tile, we can do this. Yeah, sticker. Yeah, that's gonna go back in here, and it'll eventually go in my. It'll go into the little packet with all the other stickers that I got from shops and whatnot. All right, let's take a look here. You guys probably know more about this shit than I do. Do we see anything wrong? I don't see anything wrong. Little stitching weirdness here, that's fine. I'm not seeing a bunch of glue nonsense, but I'm not super picky. Kind of like Bread and Butter. Do you watch his channel with his shoe reviews? I watch him. Yeah, he's not super picky, and I'm okay with that. Right shoe, extra laces. We got the black SB Dunk laces. That's fine. Yeah, I kind of dig this, except for the blue laces. And when I saw this shoe, I got the other pair, most of the other pair of shoes. There's something else happening with that. But yeah, I'm not a fan of the blue laces. I'm okay with the orange. I'm all right with the Monarch. I'm all right with the safari print. Midsole. We got the Monarch Phylon down here on the bottom. I'm okay with all of that. What I don't dig is the blue laces. So, what are your thoughts on this? There's a bunch of safari shoes out there, or safari looks. I got the what you call it up top, the Arts and Rec. Let's take this out of here. I'm gonna do something while we're on the video, people. I'm gonna see how quickly I can make this happen. But no, I looked at this shoe. It's something that I thought I would wear on a reasonably regular rotation, except for the laces here. I'm not a big fan of the blue laces with this colorway. So, yeah, I looked at stuff over with Ben over at Pinoy Manshaft. Y'all watch him? Lace reviews, lace relacings, lace swaps, on foot stuff. Do I need to do some on foot stuff? Is on foot stuff something that you guys care about? I don't know. I think it's kind of okay, I guess. But I always wear the same pants all the time. Is where the problem is. So, and I don't wear the same pants all the time. I do wash them, and I have several different pairs of pants that I go between. But I tend to wear the same. I don't want to say uniform because I don't wear a uniform, but I wear similar stuff on a regular basis. When I find something that I like, I'll get like multiple colors of it. And I do the same thing. I do the same thing with pants, shoes, all of that nonsense. I do all of it. And shirts. T-shirts are something that I do a lot of. When I find I kind of like these zeroed in. Are they called zeroed in? I think it's the zeroed in shirt from Lululemon. Just a little t-shirt. Really comfy. And maybe I'll do a video on that. That's a whole thing that I do. Where Lululemon, if you're into Nike Dunks and Jordans and stuff, the place has like all manner of colorways that match all of these shoes. So I got about, I don't even know how many. I got a bunch of these Lululemon shirts that just tees, just casual wear stuff. And yeah, I buy those just because they match the shoes. And then I can put together an outfit and do a thing. And yeah, we're gonna be quick about this here. Put a thing in. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go here. I probably could have gotten this done a little bit quicker if I hadn't gone through the little lace stay that's in the middle of the tongue. Now they're getting crooked. Who all else swaps their laces? Do you swap laces? Do you care enough, or do you just put the shoes on? If you're watching this, you probably care enough to do a lace swap in your shoe. I know I do. You're seeing me do it. What is this? This is not how this is supposed to go. That goes like such. That went the wrong way. Let's do this. Hold on. Please hold. It's going to be a thing. This is exciting. This is exciting and thrilling. let's do this. We're going to go here. Now we're back to right. I've done this enough. I think it's fine. Whatever. We're pretty close. Last ones. You probably fast forwarded through all of this nonsense, didn't you? Anyway, I left the little StockX tag in here, and we are finished. All right, so that is better. Just my opinion. I could be wrong. I'm wrong a lot. Here, we're going to tuck that in there. Way better look, right? Does that look better? I think that looks better. I got the other shoe over here, and yeah, looking at these, you do like this, you do like this. That's the other thing that Ben does over on Pinoy Manshaft. He's doing his little lace nonsense. It's not nonsense. I do kind of dig him. He's one of my favorite guys to watch because he's all low key. Yeah, this is what I believe this shoe should have looked like. And with these laces, I got these off of Amazon. They came off of Amazon. They were like $5 for the 9mm wide SB Dunk oval laces. And they're in a color, I believe it's called Fog. I don't know. I might put a link in the description, but as I've said before, there's a good chance that I won't be bothered to do such things. Anyway, all right, there you go. Kind of old-timey SB Dunk Low with the Paris Olympics, 2024 Olympic electric pack without the blue laces. Last thing, let's see this. Let's go back up here. Is this gonna work? This. There we go. This is what's gonna happen. We're gonna put that. We're gonna take the LeBron Dunks, the little Fruity Pebbles. Y'all seen the Fruity Pebbles? Y'all know about that, right? These things are going for like nothing on StockX now, and yeah, but these laces will absolutely go into the Fruity Pebbles. All right, that's what I got. Very cool. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Make a comment that's not mean. All right.